and the videos they are trending pa. But then why is she trending and what is the reason? Chris, I didn't think that EC trending.
Yeah, she's trending because NDC almost setting agenda now. Almost starting here from institutions. Chairman I said you get here to just say to see Romania break set on very setting all the sectors, all institutions, all government institutions. No, now if you want to move here AG, move free honor some other sectors, reforms. We gonna change before the down. No go through electoral commission. As also go through special prosecutor. So say omobe making sure so you know yeah. Every honor. The the petition you know, some of these things it's been happening. Ababi abaswa. Quite a bit me afa so say obeji penifobia free honor most yana through petitions. The first petition on this particular case no EC on any deputies and a special prosecutor also na okaho. And as I say, the newest update, according to government communications, and the other two said they couldn't make it. Said they were not able to establish a prima facie case. And only to the one, I mean, say the petition is never sana. I was see every petition. Mostly the other omofa and Mensa and the end two job, but then they have documents a back a petition over the coin.
Okay,
and those documents show. I say, and someone will grow and answer will bring you. It is a month later, and I have to just say, oh, here is simple, easy chairperson, or then the deputies, or more in your case, we have found what was on venue.
Wow.
The second person is also a special prosecutor, and also on papa and tell we are now a few of so. And see, also almost say, and according to the government of Ghana, almost a year as if we have found more. Special prosecutor and also we hear on our screens are currently way presidency communication or communication on the buyer HM said they couldn't establish any prima facie case against a year sampling for it. So petitions for the removal of the electoral commissioner, deputy commissioners and special prosecutor following the receipt of 7 petitions from various individuals and groups for the removal of the chairperson of the Electoral Commission and her deputies, and 3 petitions for the removal of the special prosecutor, President John Dramani Mahama, in accordance with Article 146 of the 1992 Constitution and Section 15 of the Office of the Special Prosecutor Act 2017 Act 959, referred, saying to His Lordship Justice Paul Bafubon, Chief Justice on 25th November 2025, to determine whether petitions disclose a prima facie case. In the some groups and the petitions by electoral commission and then the deputies and then the 3 deputies and no petition for and the removal of the special prosecutor and no top President John Dramani Mahama also that they were looking at Article 146 of the 1992 Constitution and Section 115 of the Office of the Special Prosecutor Act 2017 Act 959. Okay. Second, we need a year or more and free honor, especially a year easy on the deputies and then special prosecutor. And also a PM of Justice for Buff Money and also honor Chief Justice on 25th November 2025 to determine whether the petitions disclose a prima facie case. And he says several could precedents were within a year 7 working days, also create a Chief Justice. Okay. Also, by a letter dated 26 January 2026, the CJ or the Chief Justice informed His Excellency the President that no prima facie case has been established by the petitions to warrant any further investigations for the removal of the Electoral Commissioner, Deputy Commissioners, and the Special Prosecutor. Felix Kwachi Ofosu, MP. And also the spokesperson to the President, Minister, Government Communications, and
okay, international say it was said there. That means electoral commissioner Jane Mensa, nobody is taking her out of office.
Yes, so according to President John Dramani Mahama, through a spokesperson, Felix Kwachi Ofosu. Okay. Establishing assembly, electoral commissioner and the deputies. Okay. Okay. Special prosecutor.
Okay, but then we know it's a petition no they highlighted things they believe say it's here elect the code of conduct or the code of ethics edema the electoral commission no it doesn't mean say nyama mo state ye no wan fom e wo honum bia na say dey.
Yes, you see, it's a petition because if they try, say they will investigate you. One, they will come to you.
Okay.
When they come to you, you have to be able to also have counter documents. Let me counter what is probably stated in the petition, or the documents it is backing the petition for your removal. You should also have documents. Wait me the general say, and some of them told so
okay.
So probably some of these investigations went on. If you have a release nearby night, there is anyone making the actual investigations. So with immediate effects, they have to halt the investigations. Showing said, these two officers and
so does it mean she will continue with her work till 2028?
She will continue with her work till 2028. A lot of NDC for now communications, communicators, some of them came on TV, they were not even happy. Said the idea of firm in 2024 election. The idea of firm said 2028 on one and a best answer. So that is what is currently happening.
So the fact that petition will no answer, does it mean no other petition can be sent again for her removal? And as a petition there once and for all.
Oh, other petitions can come. Per the NDC communicators they were like they are not done. Do you understand? Still now they will probe into it. And according to them, that means other petitions will also fall through.
Okay, so that means she's not really in a good standing.
Oh, she can't say she's in a good standing. She can't really say that she's in a good standing.
Okay, ebusianfo na chese Chief Justice Paul Bafo Bonny the response a wode baye with regards to petitions amanfo bi edekoma no anaso de koma president say yankasa ye maame Jane Mensa yi ne emfi hono no as the electoral commissioner because the juma enso ani no omutirema omaye hwehwemu omatena say baby nsem nimu ahu say she has no bia obetimi egira so akase ye no ayede e dey free her as the electoral commissioner. Intina the conversation people were having about the fact say mami awabe NDC for be in free her no more ade omunipa ba just like the way Charlotte say was taken out of the equation. No, it looks like enyesa na ebeye e be cry ebeyi na maybe it's not right now and I can say
yes basically like I say ebeyi na enye right now but then and I'm kind NDC for don't any petition there because there were some of them they were I told you earlier they were complaining said 2024 the idea of family and some of multi I declare more results some of mama be MPs near them
okay
and he said Chief Justice there are other I mean there are some for me akutere krata so asade akobio and the akoma president so wonhwem wonfa any omo MPs he said na ama because NDC doesn't want to have Jane Mensa chair the next 2028
elections. Okay.
A lot of them, when in June so person who are 2028 election. And you know, and Ama as say there, Mama need to say she's not really in safe hands.
Okay. Abusia Rebecca say it's a jubilation for her though, but yenti me NC supi say we akoyi no sa na nkaye no so be den ebeko now growing up no yenye beto a most common name my friend say BNI and esi BNI for abechiwe and esi BNI for akotebriwe and esi BNI for akote yeah sorry ya fe you say it's no longer BNI it is NIB National Investigative Bureau afe there and then so the new twist and I say update abane say abai HMR right now no they are changing the NIB which is the National Investigative Bureau back to BNI but this time around Bureau of National Intelligence into on the screens no say government to reintroduce the BNI and the new name Bureau of National Intelligence to prevent confusion with the NIB, which has often been mistaken for a bank. In the over NIB, Ayana and Pempi no the bank of Fotrimu National Investment Bank.
Yeah.
Aha. I say Obi Adrian say a bank no NIB bank. But then now you can't NIB mostly we are referring to the National Intelligence Bureau. It is said Omo say the confusion no about with the NIB no amount for equating it to banks and all that. It will be better if we go back to the BNI. It is say no Bureau of National Intelligence. Don't you think that this renaming thing and the way it brings a whole lot of confusion?
You see, a lot of people are not really happy with some of these things. We have people they are not even happy with this multi-party system. Way back, but then we had this particular one. We all knew BNI. Do you understand? So growing up, we all got to know say BNI. To see a buy almost called NIB, definitely now it has some kind of conflicting naming with the bank, National Investment Bank. It's what NIB. I just wrote to them who say, "Oh,
National Investigative Bureau."
And you know, and I say, "I'm sorry, name way about now." It is part of their intelligence agencies reform or more year for 2025. And she also mobile officer agencies they didn't go na be more juma a command be more so they command people like they interchange
Yeah.
And you know I bills now more a year and more juma parliament. And she's our reform so this name we change can reforms now ever.
That means it's going to help them for them to allocate Obiye Juma Amaniye.
Amaniye.
Okay. Ebusia, so